I think so.
And what would make you happy? The wind in your hair, or driving really fast in a car, or taking a bite out of your favorite food, or dancing with your friends, or singing your favorite song, or riding the bus, or looking out of windows.
Yeah? What? So what are you listening to?
Hank would pick up my hand. Okay, now put it on her hand. Okay, I want to look at her. My name is Manny.
My name is Sid. That's her name?
Sarah Johnson.
Sarah Johnson.
Yeah, Sarah Johnson.
Manny, your face!
Oh, we have to get her. I can find Sarah and have twins with her and work 2 jobs and grow
Manny,
old.
my hand! Ugh.
Manny, help me get home. You feel a strange tingle. She sits alone just like every other day and looks out the window lost in her thoughts. You know that look. Tell her you'd love to sit next to her today and every other day because life is short and no one deserves to.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
You look beautiful.
You think I look beautiful?
Of course I do.
No, Really? Well, is it working? Or are you remembering anything? Well, what's my name?
Something tells me she's the one I'm supposed to bump into and spend the rest of my life with.
Wow, that talking was good. Well?
Oh, how about if I put my penis in you? What about if I just the very beginning of
Okay,
it?
Manny, it's not about sex. Okay, it's... Okay. Welcome to the bus. This is how people like us... Buses are for people who don't know each other. Manny, I should tell you the truth. I'm not really good at this stuff.
All right. Nobody loves you.